Welcome to the top best. The best Aap73631502 is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets in the market right now, and for good reason. It boasts a sleek design, powerful performance, and a user-friendly interface that makes it a joy to use. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest and greatest or a casual user seeking a reliable and efficient device, the Aap73631502 is designed to impress and exceed expectations. Number 5. AMI Parts LG Refrigerator Shelf Replacement, right. This replacement bin is designed for a perfect fit in the top right door of your refrigerator. Please verify the dimensions before purchasing to ensure compatibility. It is compatible with a wide range of bottom-mount refrigerator models, including specific LG and Kenmore series. Please check the model numbers in the image to confirm it suits your appliance. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, this replacement part meets OEM standards. It's built for lasting performance and is more durable than standard plastic, easily holding heavy items like a gallon of milk. This part is designed to replace several common part numbers, including AP56735810 and EAD61445219. This ensures it's a versatile option for your repair needs. We offer a lifetime return and exchange policy for this product. Our dedicated customer service team is available to assist you with any questions or concerns, ensuring a hassle-free experience. What we like. This replacement bin offers a perfect fit for your LG or Kenmore refrigerator's top right door. It's made from high-quality, durable materials that meet OEM standards, ensuring it can hold heavy items like a gallon of milk with ease. If you have a broken or worn-out door shelf and need a reliable replacement that's built to last, this is the one to choose. What people say. This fit into our fridge perfectly. The bottom shelf is narrower than the others above it on the inside of the right hand for of an LG model LFX28968 French door freezer on the bottom refrigerator. This looks and fits like the original in my LG refrigerator. Quality is good and very durable. Great value for replacement. Number 4. Arctic Chef Mini Refrigerator Platinum Stainless 3.2 CUFD. Introducing a refrigerator that perfectly complements your space. Its bold and glossy colors enhance the look of any room, from your dorm to your office. This compact unit fits anywhere, and with its reversible doors, you can choose whether it opens to the left or right. It's designed to adapt to your needs and room layout. Easily adjust the temperature to your preference with the simple control dial. Keep your items perfectly chilled, even on the hottest days. Not only does it keep your food and drinks fresh, but it's also kind to your wallet. Its highly energy-efficient compressor cooling uses minimal power. This model includes a special compartment designed to reach freezing temperatures. It's perfect for making ice cubes and keeping them solid. What we like. This compact refrigerator boasts a stylish design and a reversible door, making it a versatile fit for any space. Its adjustable thermostat and energy-efficient operation keep your items cool without a high electricity bill. If you're looking for a small, good-looking fridge for your dorm, office, or apartment that offers flexibility in placement, this is an excellent option. What people say. It keeps everything perfectly cold, and will even keep small things frozen, like the ice cube tray, or a pint of ice cream. When it arrives, the exterior was undented, unscratched, and the door fit perfectly. It arrived today. I pulled it out of the box and like most large appliances, it sits on a base and the box slides over top, then they wrap it in heavy plastic straps to hold it together. I immediately noticed that it had been dented on the top corner, however, there was no damage to the box in that area. None. Not a wrinkle. It feels like it was damaged before being boxed, and maybe that's why so many arrive damaged, because it's happening before it's even shipped and Amazon can't see it because it's in a nice new box. You'll notice if you look at the picture there's a bit of rust on it. That didn't happen between Thursday and Saturday. Number 3. Cenipar Aap73631502 Refrigerator Door Shelf Bin, 2-pack. Introducing an upgraded refrigerator door shelf bin designed for durability and a perfect fit. Made from high-quality, safe materials, it's built to last and seamlessly integrate with your appliance. This is a direct replacement for several part numbers, including Aap72909218. It's specifically designed to fit the top right side of your refrigerator, ensuring optimal function. It's perfectly compatible with various LG and Kenmore refrigerator series. If you're unsure about fitment, our team is ready to assist you to ensure you get the right part. Replacing your broken or old door shelf is now simple. Installation takes only a few minutes with no tools required, saving you both time and money on repairs. We are committed to providing high-quality products. This door bin offers enhanced durability and performance, allowing you to buy and use it with complete confidence. Crafted from premium, high-quality materials, this replacement ensures safety and longevity. It's designed to withstand daily use without compromising its integrity. What we like. This is an upgraded refrigerator door shelf bin designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. Made from high-quality, durable materials, it's a great replacement for broken or old shelves. If you need to replace a door shelf on the top right side of your LG or Kenmore refrigerator and want a solution that's simple to install and built to last, this 2-pack option is ideal. What people say. The product is great, I love it. This is a wonderful product. I am very happy with this purchase. Number 2. LG Aap73631502 refrigerator door shelf bin. This is a genuine LG replacement part for your refrigerator. Ensure quality and a perfect fit with an authorized LG component. As an authorized LG part, this guarantees the quality and reliability you expect from the original equipment manufacturer. This door shelf bin is designed as a direct replacement for your LG refrigerator. It's made to the exact specifications of the original part. Trust in the durability and performance that comes from using parts made by LG. It's built to meet their high standards. This part is manufactured in China, adhering to LG's global quality standards for all their products. What we like. This is a genuine LG replacement part, ensuring it's an authorized and original equipment component for your refrigerator. It's designed to perfectly match the specifications of your LG appliance. If you prioritize using authentic parts for your LG refrigerator to guarantee compatibility and performance, this genuine LG door shelf bin is the best choice. What people say. Perfect fit and better quality than the original. Seems like it will be even more sturdy than the original parts. Idem à l'original, installation parfaite. Number 1. LG Aap73631502 genuine OEM refrigerator door shelf bin. This is a genuine OEM replacement door shelf bin for your LG refrigerator. It is designed and engineered to exact specifications for a perfect fit. This replacement bin comes in a clean white color, matching the original design of your appliance. It's a high-quality part manufactured with premium materials for durability. With approximate measurements of L, 12xW, 6xH, 4, this part ensures an exact fit. Always refer to your owner's manual for proper installation instructions. Crafted from premium materials, this bin is built to last. Choosing genuine LG OEM parts guarantees the quality and longevity of your appliance. Keep your LG appliances running smoothly with genuine LG OEM factory parts. Life's good when you choose authentic components for your refrigerator. What we like. This genuine OEM door shelf bin from LG is designed for an exact fit and manufactured with premium materials for durability. It comes in a clean white color, complementing your refrigerator's interior. If you're looking for a high-quality, authentic replacement part for your LG refrigerator that ensures a perfect fit and long-lasting performance, this is the one to get. What people say. Inside of fridge looks new. Fit my LG fridge as advertised just like the original one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.